Let's do that again. Hi and welcome to another video. I'm sorry if it's a little loud in the background, but I have to record this video outside just because of the topic. So in this video, I am going to be sharing with you a cool idea for a date. It can be something you do in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. It's such an inexpensive way to just spend time with someone that you're getting to know. I thought it was really cool that I was able to implement other ideas into this picnic. So yes, I'm going to be sharing a cool picnic that I put together for a date night. And so if you find it helpful, please comment below and give me ideas on some cool and safe yet exciting ideas for dates.
Maria Gibson.
So welcome to another video. I hope you enjoy this one. All right, so a lot of times when we are talking to someone we've been friends with for a long time and we're trying to maybe take our relationship to a more serious relationship, as far as maybe dating or getting to know that person in a more intimate way, because we're familiar with the person because they've been to our house or we've been to the house, we tend to just stick to traditional thing. Oh, you come over, we kick it. I come over to your house, I kick it. We go to the movies. We sit there for 2 hours quietly and we watch other people interact, and we just, we get so familiar with like the person surface routine, right? And so we forget to kind of dig a little deeper to get to know them. And so I think this date idea was so interesting because it was just us in the middle of nature, just talking and getting to know each other with no interruptions. I did download a movie. We ended up not watching that movie just because we didn't even have enough time to just chat and play the games that we had. I took 2 different games. We only played one of the games, which is really fun. Just to kind of dig in a little bit, just to kind of ask some deeper questions than what's your favorite color, or where do you see yourself in 5 years, or something more I think a little challenging but yet still interesting. And I'm such a visual person, so I liked this game because it's a visual game. I took foods that was already made in my house and I took it on the picnic. Water, iced tea, things I already had here. I just kind of put them in little jars and took them along with me, and they were so cool. I also made my mango smoothie, so if you haven't seen my video on that, please go check it out. All it was just mangoes, but this time I added some strawberries into it, just gonna give it a different flavor. So I made that and I added no water whatsoever into it. It's just all fruits, just all mango and all strawberries. It was really delicious. What else? Our main course for our meal was sushi, something that we both enjoy. So we did try a new sushi. It's called Porky Roll. So we ate pork. It was good though. It was good. We both were like, nah, we're never gonna get this again. But it was good. It was just something that you try and you're like, it was good, but it's not for us. We're not gonna try that again. But we both love sushi, so it was like our sushi day idea. And we had fruits, some cherries, some grapes, watermelons, water. Just things that you had here, because at the end of the day it wasn't just about the food, but it was about that connection and just like having that time to just chat. So we're not in a restaurant, so you're not worried about people listening to your conversation, or you're not in a movie theater just sitting there watching a movie, or you're not I don't know, at a sports game. It's just I liked it. It was just us. When we were quiet, we were quiet. When we were talking, we were talking. When we were laughing, we were laughing. It wasn't awkward, and this is somebody that I know, so it made it even more comfortable. And then let's talk about a different aspect of this, okay? So if you're dating someone for the first time that you may not know, I think a picnic idea is so beautiful because, like I said, you guys are out, right? So if you choose to park, I'm sure there are people in the park somewhere. Maybe you don't want to be in the middle of where people are, but choose a spot that's a little out of the way of everybody, but then you're sure that people are there, so God forbid something happens, like you are amongst people. It's very And if it's not a group date, if you're a young person and you know you are not, which I hope people are doing, but who knows, but you're being safe and you're not practicing sex before marriage, you want to choose dates that are in the midst of other people, so that way you are being held accountable by not doing things that you're not supposed to be doing. So I love that picnic date idea. We were out there till dark, but we were able to like gather our stuff and leave before we got eaten by whatever animals were out there. But overall, a wonderful date idea for someone you're just getting to know. Take lots of games, that way you guys don't run out of things to talk about or just say, so it's not awkward. Go to a space where you are familiar with, just in case you have to like run out of there. You're safe, you know exactly where you're at. I think in as much as you want your private life to be a private life, sharing with someone who you trust where you're going to be, if you're going on a date with someone for the first time, letting somebody know exactly where you are at, that's important. And letting that person know that people knows where you are at. If that's your first date with that person, you don't trust them or you don't know them really well. But yeah, this is all I have. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any other cool ideas for a beautiful date evening, date night, something that I can enjoy just having a conversation. I enjoy one-on-one time, so for me it wouldn't be something that's in the crowd. Maybe I would enjoy just walking, you know, downtown or walking somewhere and just talking. I would like that as well. But if you have any other ideas for a cool date, please share below. I'll highly appreciate it. I hope you enjoy this one. Make it fun. Take things that you enjoy, that way you can share with that person. If it's a surprise, maybe try to dig up and see what they like, so you can implement that in the meal or the games or the theme of your picnic. I didn't have a theme, we just wanted to eat sushi and do a picnic, so that's what we did. But thanks, I hope you enjoy, and enjoy the rest of your week. Horse and buggies going by. When I woke up this morning, there were so many roses on this bush, and by evening they all started to just wither away. However, I was able to find few to put in my vase for my centerpiece.
Never llama, baby,
Going on the track.
My woman, don't shut me out, open your heart door. I know you've been through fire, I won't do you like that, no, no, no. Baby girl, give me a chance to be a lover. Don't wanna ever see you suffer. Ever since I met you, you teed my heart. Like you the only girl with the key to my heart. I swear you're extra, but let you go. Baby girl, mumu, I won't let you know. Hold that, I won't play like EA. Baby girl, listen to everything that you say. I won't play like FIFA. Promise to rock a wall like a seesaw. So baby, love me. Baby, oh, you're breaking my heart, oh. You know I need you in my life, oh. Baby, oh, you're breaking my heart, oh. You know I need you in my life, oh. I need you. So why you wanna let me go? I need you like my heart needs a beat. I need you. Baby, don't let me go, no. You're my heartbeat, oh yeah, hey. You're my heartbeat. Baby girl, you're my heartbeat. Hey, you're my heartbeat. Baby girl, you're my heartbeat.
Had a blast time the first time we talked off. Those kisses you gave me were so soft. I'm looking at my girl thinking no love. An angel to mess with a rude boy. Never had no one like you. I never needed love till I met you. I'm patiently waiting just to catch you. And if you give me a chance,
The name of this game is Solarium Cards. I first came in contact with this in college through our Campus Crusade for Christ program on our campus, and I fell in love with it. We will use it all the time to kind of reach new students, and so I started to implement it in my youth group and now using it with individuals. So the idea for this card is picking images that represent your life now, your life in the future, and also image that represent God,
to you or your faith or your spiritual life. I have used these cards and changed up the questions a bit, especially for my youth group. And that's something you can do. But I just like the fact that they're visuals, you get to see pictures, and you get to tell us why you picked that particular picture to represent your life now, your life in the future, or to represent your faith. But yeah, I will put the website in the description if you are interested in getting these solarium cards for your youth group for, dates or family nights or whatever. I love them and I've been using them for years now. Yeah, so as it got darker, we just kind of ended our night playing this game and packing up for the night and heading, out of the park because, bugs, lots of bugs. But it was a fun evening. Thanks again for watching. Bye.